Hey y'all, it's ZiAsia and I'm back to slay your day. You feel me? I got another wig for you just when you thought you got rid of me. But before we get started, I just want to again welcome you to my channel. You are now rocking with the best. Feel me? So if you love all things beauty and fashion and you love to laugh, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below because we have us a good time. Now let's get into this wig review, shall we? And first of all, this curly is the bomb. I just did a review on this not too long ago. But anyway, I wanted to go even more crazy. I was like, is there any color I can't do? You feel me? I want to know if there is colors that just do not look good on me. Because so far, I've been slaying it. I did blonde, I do red, I did the pink pixie. So I took on the challenge. I've never worn hair this bright. Like, this is extremely bright. This is Sensationnel Boutique Kinky Straight. It's from the Boutique Bundles collection, and it's in the color T1B 613. Now, straight off the bat with this hair, I don't like the kinkiness. I knew it was gonna be like this when I bought it, but I'm planning on straightening this because I feel like this kinkiness makes it look like that braiding hair, collection, and it look like they just sewed that to a wig, and it just don't look good, especially not in this color. So I feel like a more sleek look would look way better. I also got to get rid of this shine, so I have some dry shampoo for that. Looking at this part, I'm probably going to have to go in there and pluck some out. It looks a little too tight. Doesn't look that natural. This isn't a true 1B, but I feel like it actually looks more natural with the blonde. Like, it goes from dark brown to blonde instead of going from black. Oh, here it is, straight out the pack. I haven't done anything to the wig yet. I just put it on my head. So as you can see, I'm feeling this color, yo. I look so cute. Y'all, it's official. There is no color I cannot rock. So first I think I'm gonna go in and pluck this part, and then I'll deal with the hair because I want the part to look natural. And I really definitely gotta open that up. If you can see it's like super duper closed. This is about as much hair that I've taken out of the part, and it's a little bit more wider looking. If I could pull this look off, y'all better subscribe, cause like ain't nobody out here doing it like me. I'm gonna walk it like I talk it, so I'm gonna prove it to you. And when you see me slay this $25 beach blonde wig, then you won't believe me. This looks so much better. Look, I'm gonna compare this with this. I'm looking this good for $25. Y'all been spending $400. Y'all know how that shit is in my bank account, because that's how a boss bitch do it. And you never know, like when you try stuff and it look popping. Look, I didn't know this was gonna come out like this and it's popping. Sis, you better step out your comfort zone. I have a perfect video for this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna link it right here. It's called "You Can't Be Comfortable and on a Come Up." This was actually the first video I ever did on YouTube, so you guys should check it out. Like, it's from like 2016, but it was just like, it was some real shit. Like, I ain't gonna hold you. You just gotta watch it. I'm gonna go ahead and try and cut some baby hairs. Now, I've never done this, so you know, we gonna try it together. Always this serious. It's never a game. Let me just put some concealer on my part. Then I'm gonna have to go back in and put the mascara. I gotta get at least a semblance, some kind of a line. Damn. This looks super duper good. That looks like an even better ombre. Like, I know I said I like the ombre from the beginning that I started with, but this looks even better. Like, yes. Coming for me. Who's coming for Z? They can't see me, man. Not with this wig game, so take a look at my cart. Hey y'all, but I'm not done. So just chill. I'm still going. I still got something in me. I still got stuff to do to this wig. Like, alright y'all, so here's the final look. I told y'all I was finna finesse this $27 wig. Look at this part. Look at that. Yes. Yes. Got my baby hairs popping. She popping. I paid $27. Okay, I'm lying. I didn't pay $27. I paid like $35 with shipping. But it's all good though. It is all good. Shout out to Elevate Styles that had this wig in this color, and I was so apprehensive. I was so scared to rock this color, and look at me. Yes, sis. So that just goes to show you, don't give in to your fears. You know, you gotta do stuff in spite of it. Just have that little bit of faith and just make that leap, and you could be slaying just like me for $35. Feel me? So yeah, this is really cute. I feel like I did my thing with this part. Let me give you but yeah, I'm really loving this, sis. So if you agree that I did my thing with this wig, just give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, if you want to continue to see me do my thing and live my best life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I thank you again so much for watching. This was a fun video because honestly, I didn't know how this was going to turn out. I was real nervous, but I did it and I had fun. I'm so glad that I got to do it with you guys. But yeah, that's all for now. I'll catch y'all later. Oh! Bye.